6 most important things to check after logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Yuk from Big Faction. So today we will learn about the important things which could lead to your Amazon account suspension. So let's begin. Firstly, buyer and seller message. You can view all the buyer messages in the tab above. To give replies to the buyer messages, click on the Messages tab located on the top right corner. Give the feedback which you want to be addressed to the buyer. Click on Send. Next, Performance notification. On the Above tab, move the cursor to the Performance tab and on the drop-down menu, click on Performance notifications. Here you can view all the notifications that have received on your account. Next, Account Health. To view your account health, go to the Above Performance tab and from drop-down menu, click on Account Health. Check if your account is at optimum health to avoid the risk of getting suspended. Now, Case Log. To view the case logs, click on the Help tab located on the top right corner. On the next window, click on Case Log. These are the cases that you have opened in the past. Search bar or help bar. Type the questions regarding Amazon Seller Central on the search bar located on the top right corner to view all the answers. Next, feedback. To view the feedbacks on your account and the products, move your cursor to the Performance tab and from the drop-down menu, click on Feedback. Here you can view the feedback ratings, the recent feedbacks, etc. Happy learning. For more videos like this, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.